How to connect your Microsoft OneDrive account with your ChatGPT account. So the first step is to go to this left menu tab and click on more, and then you click on apps. So once you have clicked on apps, it will open a menu like this and search for your application name SharePoint. It is an application which helps you to connect your Microsoft OneDrive account to your ChatGPT account. Just click on this application and click on connect. So once you have clicked on connect, you'll see this menu which says connect to Microsoft SharePoint. Just click on it and you just have to wait a few moments and it will redirect you to the Microsoft sign in page. Yeah, then put your desired email address to this Microsoft sign in option. Your Microsoft account which you want to connect to the ChatGPT account, and click on next, and there you go, you're good to go after connecting your Microsoft OneDrive account to your ChatGPT account. It helps you a lot that without downloading the media you can just put that media into ChatGPT without any efforts. So thank you for watching this video.